What's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. But this is kind of becoming like a normal thing, is I start a video in a car or something, whatever. We'll figure it out. But anyways, so the time has finally come. I am getting a Brute Force Snorkeled. I'm on the way to go pick it up now. One of my buddies is gonna do it. Anyways, so I'm on, like I said, I'm on the way to pick up the Brute Force. I'm gonna go drop it off and hopefully have it back in the next few days. The lift should be coming in soon, so I'm hoping by the time this video goes up that the lift will already be on. But so I'm gonna catch y'all at the plant after I picked up the four-wheeler. So yeah. Alright, so I just dropped the Brute Force off with the snorkel kit. Buddy said it should be done tomorrow. So I'm like really excited for this. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I'm really excited about this snorkel kit. Like, I am so excited. I can't even talk right now. I'm so excited. Bit my daggone jaw. I'm like so excited to see how this comes out. Like, I really am. I just can't wait, guys. I just can't wait. I'm so excited. Because that means your boy gets to go play in some water and some of that deep mud and water. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about, damn it. I'm excited. I can't talk right now. I'm excited. Can't exactly talk, but yeah, I just want to give y'all a little update. Just dropped it off, so hopefully picking it up tomorrow. So let's hope so.
The next day.
All right, so it's the next day and I've just picked up the Brute, and oh my god, it looks amazing. I'm gonna get to the house before I take it back to the plant. I'm gonna get to the house and show y'all what it looks like with the snorkel on it. It looks freaking amazing. Like, I cannot wait to show y'all what it looks like. Still gotta do a little bit more to it. I got to I'll show y'all what I have to paint. I want to paint something to match the Brute Force. Then I do a little bit of gluing. But other than that, nothing else, nothing major really. Just a little bit of, my buddy who put it on was telling me, you know, a little bit of stuff. It's personal preference. So, and then I'm gonna show y'all when we get to the house what is personal preference. And there's a deer just chilling in the road. Okay, Bambi. I'm gonna show y'all what's personal preference when I get to the house. But so yeah, just wanted to give y'all an update about the Brute is back, baby. It is back, and I'm ready to go play in some water now. Boy, that Brute look good. I can't wait to show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all when to get to the house. So I'll see y'all when we get to the house. All right, so here it is. I've got the Brute Force back to the house. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, and there it is. The Snorkel Your ATV Warriorizers kit. This is the airbox inlet, belt CVT inlet, and then this is the exhaust outlet. So I'm gonna tell y'all, kind of like I was told, they don't want you to put the little filters on it, which I'm gonna show y'all the filters now. So these are the filters. Those are the filters that come with the kit, and then these are what I was talking about. You can paint to kind of match your four-wheeler. I'm trying to decide if I want to paint them red or just leave them black. I don't really know how I want to do it. But anyways, so those filters, they don't want you to put it on the exhaust one. Well, I'm very OCD about my stuff matching. So I didn't want to have the filters on these two, and then not have one on that one and just have like a random hole. That would irk me. So probably what I'm going to do is hot glue both the inlets and just leave the exhaust outlet unglued so I can pop it in and out. That's what my buddy told me. Figured I'd relate a choice to y'all too. It's up to y'all, but personally I like all my stuff to match. It really irritates me if my stuff don't match. Like when I had my car, everything had to be the same color and the same brand. I'm just really OCD about stuff like that. But it looks really good. I'm I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited, I'm stuttering.
So excited!
But I'm gonna go ahead and ruin it for y'all. I am gonna do the radiator relocate, like I said before, the Lucky 7, because to me, it does not look good having all this empty space with just snorkels. But that's just my opinion. Everybody else has their own opinion. That's just mine. It's not a first for me. I've had a four-wheeler that had a snorkel on it. It wasn't a complete kit. It was just pretty much a Lowe's kit, which was on my 93 Timberwolf, 250 Timberwolf. Just a little Lowe's kit. I think it was like 20 bucks maybe altogether for everything. But I'm just kind of giving other people who are getting a Brute Force, so they actually know everything that kind of kicks in. So I'm about to start up, and y'all are gonna hear the little chatter from the torque converter. That is completely normal. So if my buddy wouldn't have told me, I would have freaked out. Like I literally would have freaked out. But this is the chatter he's talking about. So that's the chatter he was talking about, and I just wanted to let anybody else who's got a Brute Force or gonna put a snorkel on a Brute Force, just be aware of that so you don't freak out. But that's it for today. I'm gonna go put this thing up and try to decide on, well, if I want to paint them or not. I really don't know. But I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.